Hey guys, Travis here, Rexandsons RVs, Wilmington, North Carolina. Talking to you today about weight distribution and sway control setup. Today I'm going to show you a Equalizer 4 and how to properly attach it to your vehicle. First thing you'll do is lock on the ball. So fully lock the ball on the coupler, give it a extra lock there, and then you can use the hitch to be the muscle to pick the weight up. Because what this is going to do is these bars are distributing the weight, so they're going to hold weight, and to pick that weight up you can do it physically with a leverage bar, or you can let the jack be the muscle to pick the weight up and just apply the bars in, which is my favorite style of doing it. First, just stick it into the side with the coupler and cotter pin. I like to come from the inside out. That way at a glance, if you ever stop and you do a walk around your vehicle, you can always see that it is fully attached. Slide it over. This is where you would use your leverage bar. Should you not be able to get it up all the way over this, and then you'll lock it in with the L bracket. Apply the other side the same way. Then at this time you can make sure you got your 7-way plug, and this is the top of your 7-way plug, or the bottom depending on your on the truck. You plug it in, the lid will hold it in, and then you can take your chains, and we recommend making a basket by crossing your chains one time. The resistance there, good pull on it. I like to bring the hooks back towards the camper, and then also depending on your breakaway device that you have, as this is a fast way, which is what we really like, you will attach that independently to a type of D-ring, but do not attach it through your chains or on your chains, because the safety chains will probably stay hooked up. They create a basket that could catch the trailer, but the breakaway is designed to pull the key out. Pull it out, it'll stop it. And that's what it does with the trailer brakes on the trailer, is it'll pull that key out. That will send the signal to lock the brakes up, so that hopefully it won't hit anyone else while it's wild on the highway. So now that we got everything hooked up, you would just retract the tongue jack back up. Make sure you perform a lights check before traveling. All your turn signals, brake lights, running lights, and then you'll be ready for the open road. So hope this helps out, and this is one way that we would show you here at Rexandsons RVs when you pick a camper up, if you get the hitching, how to apply it. And if you have any questions, just contact us on the webpage or on our Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. And this is Travis from Rexandsons RVs saying enjoy life's journey.